In this video, we're going to calculate the surface area of a cylinder. Okay, and what we can see with the cylinder is it's got a flat circle at the bottom. Behind that image there is another flat circle at the top. So we've got two circles, and we also have a curved section which goes all the way around. Okay, so the surface area will be two circles plus a rectangle. Now, the circles are much easier to calculate, the area of them, but the rectangle, sometimes it causes a little bit of misunderstanding about what the longer length, in this case, the curved one, that length there. Okay, so we'll firstly calculate the area of the circles, and then we'll deal with this this longer length there, which I'm going to just also highlight there, that one. Okay. Okay, we need to put in some measurements on our circle. So firstly, I'm going to do the radius, okay, and that's going to be 3 centimeters, and the height of that cylinder, I'm going to call it 2 centimeters. Okay, so we've got two circles, and the area of a circle is pi r squared. Okay, that's the formula that we're using for area of a circle. So we've got two of them. So 2 times pi times radius. What's the radius there? 3 squared. Okay. Plus, now we've got 2 centimeters that way. And now we need to work out what that one is. All right. So a good way to do it is if you get an A4 piece of paper, just to look at it physically, if you've got an A4 piece of paper and then you roll up that A4 piece of paper, okay, into a cylinder, okay, what you'll notice if you unravel that again, you'll actually see that that length, this one here, that length there, is actually the circumference of the circle. Sometimes some students will put that as the radius, or they may say it's the diameter, but when you think about it with an A4 piece of paper, rolling it up and then unrolling it, you'll see quite clearly it's the circumference of the circle. Okay, so we need to be able to calculate what the circumference is. Okay, so we're going to have 2 centimeters for that height, okay, multiplied by the circumference. So actually the circumference equals pi d, or you can say that it's 2 pi r. Most people will learn it as 2 pi r. Okay, so let's put that in. So 2 times pi r. Okay, so our area of that one is 2. So that 2 relates to the 2 centimeters, all right, in height. And then times by 2 pi r, that's the length of our circumference. All right, let's work this out. Okay, so we have 2 times pi times 3 squared. Okay, so that's going to be 18 pi. just leave it in pi form for now, plus this one here, so that's 2 times 2 times pi times r, and so r is actually 3 centimetres. So we've got 2 times 2 times pi times 3, so that's 12 pi. Okay, so the reason you leave it in pi form at the moment is we've got 18 pi plus 12 pi. Okay, so that's going to be 30 pi. All right, now what we need to do is use our calculator, and we have to put in 30 pi So we've got 30 pi, that equals 94.247, okay, which when we round that to 2 decimal places will be 94.25 centimetres squared. Okay, so in this video we have calculated the surface area of a prism. Okay, thanks for watching.